Now how it executes, all of you. So first for loop executes here, right? Out of these three, like for loop, then if condition, and then what here, and expression or logic. Out of these three, first for loop, then if, and then which one here, logic guys, or expression. If condition is there, if condition is not there, then first for loop, and then directly what here, directly it executes. Directly logic will execute if condition is not there. Okay, but here if condition is there, let's see how it executes. First time for I in employee, first time my value is the emp1. Okay, the first time my value, what guys here, first time my value is the emp1. Okay, then that I next go to where here, go to where if condition guys. Now employees of emp1 of salary, employees of E1 emp1 of salary. What is salary? First time 20,000 coming guys, 20,000 coming, and greater than how much condition here, 25,000. This one true or false, this one true or false, it is false, right? So it is false guys, it is false. If it is false, then that value will skip guys, it won't come in the output, so it will skip now. Which is skipping now, which is skipping emp1, skipping guys. Second time my value is what now, second time my value is emp2. Second time my value what here, emp2 guys, employee 2 means it's coming data from employee 2 only here, employee only. Okay, then again it's going next to where, it's going to if condition guys. Second time my value is emp2, and it's going to if condition. Now employees of emp2 of salary, employees of emp2 of salary, emp2 of salary. What is salary now? 30,000, right? Okay, 30,000, right? So here 30,000 greater than 25,000 guys. This is true or false? It is true. It is true. If it is true, then that I, the same I, what is I value? emp2 guys. That I now will go to logic guys, will go to logic. What is I value coming now? What is I value coming here? emp2 coming here, right? emp2 coming here. Now, so employees of emp2 salary, employees of emp2 salary, what salary? 30,000, right? The 30,000 will come in the result guys. So this is the 30,000 coming here, 30,000 coming here like this. Enough. Now two iterations over. Now the third one again, the third one, okay, which one? I value emp3 guys. The third value is emp3, and then that emp3 going to if condition, if is now employees of emp3 salary, employees of emp3 salary. What is salary? emp3 salary 40,000 is the right. So 40,000 greater than how much condition here? 25,000. This is true or false? It is true or false? It is true. If it is true, again that I, that is emp3, again going to where? Going to logic guys, and here that I will come. Again what is there? Employees of emp3 salary, employees of emp3. What's coming now? emp3 is coming that salary. What is salary? This salary 40,000, right? That 40,000 also coming in the result guys, 40,000. So how much here? This is 40,000 guys, 40,000 coming here like this. Now two values over in the result. Next time the I value is again what next time I value here? emp4 guys. Next time I value emp4 coming to the I, emp4. Then that emp4 again going to where? Going to if condition guys. If condition, employees of emp4 salary, employees of emp4 salary, emp4 salary. What is salary? 33,000, right? 33,000 guys. Now, so that 33,000 greater than how much? 25,000. So true or false? It is also true guys. It is also true. If condition is there, again that I, only I going to where? Going to logic. Now employees of employees of EMP4 salary. Employees of EMP4 salary. What is salary now? What is salary? 33,000, right? That also will come in the output, guys. Okay. 33,000 coming in the output. And then next one, what next time I value? Like that, one by one executes, guys. Next time I value what? EMP5. EMP5. It's going to again if condition now. So employees of EMP5 salary. Employees of EMP5 salary. What is EMP5 salary? For 50,000, right? 50,000 coming, guys. So here 50,000 coming. 50,000 greater than 25,000. True or false? It is true again, guys. It is true. If it is true again, now it's going to where? It's going to logic, and the employees of EMP5 salary. What's EMP5 salary? 50,000, right? That comes in the result, guys. Again, EMP5 salary. What is salary here? That is 15,000 like this. Okay, 15,000 like this. And last one, guys. Now one more I value is there. What's I value now? EMP6. Again going to see now. Just now what is over, guys? Now just now EMP4 over, right? Here EMP4 over, EMP4 over, sorry 5 over. Now what's coming now? EMP5 is coming, guys. What's coming now? EMP5 was coming from dictionary. What's EMP5 here? I value is EMP5, right? It's going to if condition now. And employees of EMP5 salary, how much salary? Just 10,000. 10,000. Now observe here. So the 10,000 greater than 25,000. So true or false? It is false. If it is false, then that I will not go to the logic. That I also will skip, guys. That I also will skip. What is skipping? EMP6 also skipping, guys. Now, any other I value is there? No other I value. That means now all iterations over. And finally, we have taken the square brackets here, right? To get the output list format, what is taken both beginning ending square brackets. That's why it comes in the list format, guys. Which format? List format. And outside the square brackets, what is there? Print is there. So it will print in the output, guys. It will print in the output. And finally, the result will display in the browser. Result display. Which one? 30,000, 40,000, 33,000, 50,000. Like that output will come. Okay. So thanks so much, guys. I hope you understand this execution process. Please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and follow us on Instagram, Python Narayana. Thank you so much.